Here are some common LED traffic lights that you can commonly find in eBay or some other Hamfest sales. Currently working on a traffic light project. These have been modified to where they are not as bright for display purposes indoors. And you'll notice this is a Philips power supply from a dial light brand, which I had to create my own supply because this power supply kind of strictly monitors under or over voltage and current conditions, and it would be rather tricky to deal with. So this was in the yellow arrow here that I had to do. The green arrow is a dial light brand, and of course it had a switcher that had some capabilities of being adjusted for current and voltage as well. Ended up putting a I believe it was a 1K resistor on the common lead, and just actually done it right there. If you could kind of see in the center of the screen, did use a flame-proof resistor. Just tacked me some contacts in there and just put it on the negative portion, and I left the thermal, the sense thermal, and the positive lead intact, and that dropped the voltage down to approximately 9 volts across the bank of LEDs, which that allow them to kind of last almost forever with not running them that hard just for display purposes. Inside the yellow light here, can show you to get the lid off here, and you have to kind of carefully pry these apart because they're siliconed, and be very careful not to crack the lenses. And like I say, it was a dial light brand, so I created my own power supply for this arrow here, and it's running on approximately 9 volts for the LEDs. Created my own 12 volt transformer here, a little small transformer designed for around